There are 130 staff members here at the New Britain Fire Department, and now a third of them will be tested yearly randomly for drug use. It comes after one of their members died at his home in Southington earlier this year, which later revealed drug problems within the department.
Morale was down, but I think this kind of lifts people's spirits.
Raul Ortiz is the chief of the New Britain Fire Department. Earlier this year, the death of a firefighter and a later discovered drug problem within the department hurt morale and concerned New Britain neighbors. The chief says this became issue number one.
Most of our members, if not all of our members, want this kind of policy in place for protections.
A new agreement with the union will drug test up to 45 employees per year, a third of the staff. The chief says what happened really progressed the years-long conversation forward.
It's important that whenever 911 is called, that we're getting firefighters that are not only impaired, but in the right frame of mind to do their job effectively.
Most of the department is in Local 992. President Captain Ken Kehoe says they wanted a safer workplace and to keep the staff protected.
Probably more of a sense of urgency to we need to get this hammered out between all the entities and get together and make sure we get this to work.
The agreement also includes reasonable suspicion, meaning if someone seems unfit for duty potentially because of drugs or alcohol, they can be tested.
That would be looking out for each other, right? When we get into work, are you fit for duty or not?
The chief says drug abuse is a societal issue and they want to protect and hold staff accountable. If someone fails a test, they'll be put on leave while they get help. A refused test will be treated as a failed one.
They need the time to, one, not only get the help, but to address whatever issues are leading the individual to that avenue.
The union president says members overwhelmingly supported the policy with the goal of protecting New Britain firefighters and New Britain neighbors.
Everybody in general wants to be in a safe workplace.
The chief says they also want to address mental health, but do that separately from this random drug screening. He says that they will reinstate trust from neighbors. And the mayor here in New Britain gave us a statement reading in part that this ensures that residents receive the high level of professionalism from their first responders while protecting those firefighters. Live in New Britain, Tony Black, Fox 61 News.